Hello students, welcome to our channel. This is Anand Kumar Singh. Today we are going to discuss a topic related to class 12's mathematics matrices. Today we are going to discuss about some examples related to symmetric and skew-symmetric matrices. In our previous lecture, we have just learned what is the symmetric and skew-symmetric matrices. Now, today we are going to take some examples. At first, if we are asked in exam to give an example of a symmetric matrix, then how we are going to deal with it? Okay, let us take a matrix A. To form a symmetric matrix, at first you have to take any element along the principal diagonal. Let us consider 1, 2, 3. No matter. Okay, we are going to form a 3 by 3 order symmetric matrix. 3 by 3 order symmetric matrix. Okay, now at first you have to take any element along the principal diagonal. Let us consider 1, 2, 3. You may take another element also. Okay, now if you take here 5, say 5, then you have also need to take 5 here. Okay, if you take 7, then you also need to take here 7. If you take here 0, then you also need to take here 0. That is, like this way you have to choose elements. Okay, now you can see this matrix which we have formed just now is an example of a symmetric matrix. You can check it. Transpose of A is equal to 157, 157, 157. Like this, the first row will be changed into the first column. 520, 520, and 703, 703. Here you can see this matrix is similar, that is exactly same A matrix. Okay, so we have got transpose of A is equal to A itself. As we have learned the definition of symmetric matrix, a square matrix is said to be symmetric if its transpose be equal to itself. Since the transpose of A is equal to A itself, therefore this matrix is an example of a symmetric matrix. So guys, if you are asked to give an example of a symmetric matrix, at first you have to take any element along the principal diagonal. Then if you take 5 here, then also take 5 here. 7, then here also take 7, 0, then here also take 0. No matter what type of element you are choosing, but you have to be careful that if you select here 5, then also select here 5, not -5 or not another element. Okay, now if you are asked to give an example of a skew symmetric matrix, then how you give this example? Let A be a matrix. Now we are going to form a skew symmetric matrix. At first, for the example of skew symmetric matrix, you have to take 0, 0, 0 along the principal diagonal. Here we are also going to find a 3 by 3 order matrix. Okay, now if you are asked to give an example of a skew symmetric matrix, then at first you have to take 0, 0, 0, all the principal diagonal elements be 0. Now if you take here 5, if you take here plus 5 or 5, then you need to take here also 5, but opposite sign of it. That is, if you take here 5, that is plus sign, you need to take here -5. Okay, if you take here -7, then also here take 7, but opposite sign, but minus, its opposite is plus, that is just 7. If you take here 2, then you also need to take here 2, but opposite sign, here 2 sign is plus, then you have to take -2. Okay, now let's check, is it a skew symmetric or not? Transpose of A is equal to 0, 5 minus 7 will be changed into the first column. -502, -502, and 7 minus 2, 0, 7 minus 2, 0, 7 minus 2, 0 will be the third column. Taking minus sign as common, then we will have 0, -5 will be +5, plus 7 will be minus 7, plus 5 will be minus 5, 0 will be 0, minus 2 will be plus 2, minus 7 will be plus 7, and 2 will be minus 2, 0 will be 0. Here you can see that 0, 5 minus 7, 0, 5 minus 7, minus 5, 0, 2, minus 5, 0, 2, 7 minus 2, 0, 7 minus 2, 0. That is, this matrix is exactly the A matrix. Therefore, we can replace it by A matrix here. So, here we have got that the transpose of A matrix is equal to the negative of itself. As we have learned the definition of a skew symmetric matrix, a square matrix is said to be skew symmetric if the transpose of that matrix be equal to the negative of itself. So it is an example of skew symmetric matrix. Okay. If you students find this lecture helpful to you, then please support us. Okay.